morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dougie B Fishing. And today I'm going fishing. Well, today we're out here at Blackwater River. Gonna be targeting a whole bunch of different types of fish. It's more of a freshwater slash brackish area, so pretty much got freshwater and saltwater stuff. And we're just gonna go out here and just try to catch whatever bites today. You know, they got some real big fish up here, and I did some reading last night, so if we lock into any of them, I'll inform y'all on that. So let's quit talking and go fishing. Let's go. Just got in a kayak, pushing myself off. It's like 41 degrees right now out here. We gotta tie up on. We gotta tie some baits on and stuff. So let me tie these baits on. We'll get back to you. I'm over here rigging up, and this dude already got two. Quit cheating! Why are you cheating? I'm trying to rig up. Okay, finally we're rigged up. Let's go. He doesn't catch all the fish so far. All right, well, I'm starting off with a spinnerbait, something I called the Magic. My friend AJ turned me on to the spinnerbait. It's a real good spinnerbait. That little white blade and this little gold Colorado, got nice little thump to it. Catches me a lot of fish. Catches big fish too. Okay, got something good. Bang! There we go. Nice bass. Probably about a 2.5 pounder. Gonna let you go, partner. There we go. There we go. A little bass. He was tight to the bank too. Well, we got one decent bass this morning, and got a little dinky, a little dink. But at least we started catching something. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I figured this little slough. There we go. Little bass. Check that out. That's why we put that. I knew that we was gonna get something here. It probably ain't the only one. There we go. Oh, I ain't never caught one. Now I got one. Haha. Such a pretty fish. Got that little band right there with that greenish gold color to him. Such a pretty fish. Check that out. There we go. Pretty fish. Alright, killer. There we go. Here we go. I don't need that. I'll just put them in the boat. Put them in the yak. Put them in the yak. Beautiful fish. I don't know why they get so much hateful. I know it's aggravating when you're fishing for bass, but this is so much fun. So let me explain to y'all what we're doing. Is basically we have Texas rig paddle tails, and we're throwing it on top of this grass. As you can see, that grass comes all the way up to the surface. I'm just throwing that paddle tail as far as I can and just reeling it on top of the grass, and then you see a wake come hit it, and then you set the hook. And that's so much fun. This reminds me of catching redfish on top of grass, or rolling a wake bait. It's just something different than the normal trout and redfishing that I do normally. I do fish for other fish a lot of the time, but it just depends on what's in season and what I feel like catching. Well, I've been doing this hunt for a gator, so that's what I've been doing. But this is a nice change of pace, catching some chain pickerel and some bass, and hopefully we run into some stripers. That would be so much fun. But let's get back to it. All I'm doing is, even in the deeper grass, is I'm just kind of throwing it out and just letting it bump against some of that grass, causing a little bit of deflection. It's almost like a crankbait bite, you know, old reaction bite. Might get one right here. Because there we go. Oh, he come off. Man, I seen him come out. Well, can't get them all. Dude, I got a giant bass. Oh my God. Stay pinned. Oh my God. Dude. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We were literally heading back to the launch. I said, let me make a few casts right here. Oh my God. Felt like I got bit. Oh man.
You got way back.
Oh, do you got a scale?
No, I got the board.
Oh, I know we got a board.
I saw him jump.
Oh, I know.
I saw you.
When I seen him jump, I was like, man, that don't feel like no pickerel. Oh my,
that's a big one.
Oh my God.
Let me get my phone out so I can record this.
Bruh, I need some pictures. I wish I was recording for the jump.
Oh yeah, that would have been sweet.
All you did was hear me go.
It's
all right, y'all. Well, we're pretty much on our way back in, and I was like, man, this looks good. Let me throw this in there. Catch that. Look at that. Probably about a 5.5, maybe 6 pound bass. Check that out. God, look at that. Check that out, man. Look at that big old bucket mount, man. Check that out. On a slam shady paddle tail. Look at that. Well, hell. If I can turn back. All right, y'all, look. 21.5. Stud. That's what I'm talking about. All right, big mama. Thank you.
okay.
Yes. Yes. Let's go. All right. Well, now I might have to start come fishing over here. Let's go, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, 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 yes. I miss bass fishing so much since I've been here in Florida, because the saltwater is so close, I don't ever go freshwater fishing anymore. That made my freaking week. Well, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We out here catching fish. Big fish, baby. Let's go. Yes. Until next time, see you later. Bye.